You might think you need a full blown website to make money with digital products, but I make over $59,000 a month without one. No homepage, no blog, no contact form, just one powerful system that runs on autopilot. And I'm showing you exactly how it works in this video. And if we haven't met yet, hello, my name is Karen, and I started this whole digital product business from my cluttered living room as a broke, burnt out graphic designer. Now I run two six-figure businesses selling simple digital products I create once and I sell on repeat, all without ever building a website. I help beginners like you go from I don't know what I'm doing to making daily sales online using smart, simple systems. And today I'm breaking down how I do it without a website. First things first, I don't have a traditional website. What I do have are high converting sales pages and funnels. Instead of spending weeks building a website that no one visits, I create simple landing pages, one for my freebie and one for my paid offer. I use Thrivecart to handle all of it. It's clean, it converts, and the best part is that it's a one time fee. No monthly bill draining your bank account. Every customer who buys from me goes through this setup. It's smooth, automated, and wildly profitable. And if tech scares you, don't worry. This is the simplified version of an online business. You do not need to be a coder or a designer. Just create one great product and one clear page to sell it. And if you're still figuring out what to sell, grab my free guide with 500 plus digital product ideas. You'll find something you can create this week. The link is below. Now, because I don't have a website, I don't rely on Google for traffic. I use TikTok. Every day I post short form content and go live. Why? Because TikTok pushes my content to people who've never seen me before for free. That's daily traffic straight to my sales page or my freebie funnel. And one video over on TikTok can change your income overnight. That's how new people find me and buy from me every single day. And let me tell you, even with zero followers, if you're starting from scratch, TikTok gives you a shot. As a complete beginner starting from zero, you can actually get pushed out into the For You page. So you don't need to be an influencer. You just need to solve a problem in your content and point people to your offer. And in the comments, let me know what platform are you currently using or thinking about using. Is it TikTok, Instagram, YouTube? Let me know down below and I'll drop some content ideas for you. So now let's think about where do I send people to? I send them straight into a funnel. It's simple. I go from TikTok content to putting them to either my freebie or my sales page, and then they go into the Thrivecart checkout. That's it. And I always collect emails because I sell way better through email than just hoping someone follows me on social media. Once they're in my world, they get emails that build trust and lead them to my paid offer. It's automated, it's scalable, and it works while I sleep. And I know funnels sound fancy, but all you need is one freebie and one product. Then from there, just one traffic source and your checkout page. That's it. And if you need help picking your niche and knowing exactly what to create, that is exactly where my Naomi Niche Bot comes in. It's going to give you your niche idea, your freebie idea, your product idea that all goes together based on your passion and your skills. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down below in the description. And one thing I always say is emails over the algorithm. I don't chase followers, I build an email list. Why? Because algorithms are moody. Emails are not. Once someone grabs my freebie, they're on my email list. I show up in their inbox with value, stories, and offers. Emails is where most of my sales happen, and it gives me freedom from platform drama. And you don't need 10,000 followers to make 10K a month. You need 1,000 people who trust you and want what you sell. And email is the best place to build that trust. Now, I know what some of you guys might be thinking. Do you have to create content? Yes. The answer to that is yes. It doesn't have to be your face on camera, because I know I get this question a lot. Do I have to show my face? You don't have to, but you still need to be creating some sort of content, whether that is on IG or on TikTok or here on YouTube, wherever you are, you still need to be creating some sort of content, because content is what's going to bring people into your world. And if you want want to be completely faceless, you can use B-roll, screen recording, voiceovers, whatever works for you. And I teach you all of this inside my Canva to Cash program. But remember, if you're not creating content, you're not creating traffic, period. So don't overthink it. Start messy. Just pick a platform, post consistently, and point people to your freebie or your offer. And I would love to know in the comments what's holding you back from posting content. Tell me below and I'll help you troubleshoot it. And listen, if I can build a $59,000 a month business without a website, you can make your first $1,000 with a phone, a digital product, and some strategy. Your game plan is simple. Create one freebie, create one product, build a funnel, and post content and grow your list. And if you want the full step by step on creating, marketing, and selling your digital products from scratch, check out my program called Canva to Cash. I'll leave the link in the description below. Also, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this fired you up. No more waiting. You got this.